so high, don't know what to do, cause I'm so shy.
Okay, you guys, so my eyebrows are done. Now we are gonna dip into the new Sonia Kashuk brushes and do the rest of the face. If you follow me on Snapchat, when I do my Snapchat tutorial, I do them every day before I go to work. You see that I come on to Snapchat with my foundation already done. Then I just do eyes on my Snapchat. So I'm gonna show you guys the complexion routine that I do beforehand. I know a lot of people are probably curious, so it's really quick and I don't do a whole bunch just because it's a work day. Quick on the go routine as well. Basically for school too, like if I wanted to wear a fresh face for school, this is what I would do as well. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline concealer, the Better Skin, that right above the lip, right under the lip. I'm just gonna cover up a few blemishes that I have. I know I look crazy, but I will be covering it up. I'm gonna go in with the Precision foundation brush from Sonia that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna take my Lift and Illuminate foundation. As you can see, this is my holy grail. It's from number 7. It's the shade Chestnut, and I just take one pump. Wow, this brush is so soft. If you guys have a chance to get your hands on these Sonia brushes, I would definitely recommend doing so. It's so easy to work with and it feels amazing. Alrighty guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead in with the Sonia powder brush that I showed you, and we're gonna go into my Hello Flawless from Benefit. This is the shade Nutmeg, and we're just gonna place that all over on top of the liquid foundation. This brush is hecka soft. I love these brushes. Love them. Product is going on so smooth. This is a really nice powder brush to just like throw on some really quick powder. If you want to do a really natural day, you can put on like your moisturizer and then throw on some powder on top of that so that the powder will have something to stick to, and this will give you some good coverage. Okay, so now I'm actually using this angled brush that I have from Morphed. I use it a lot, as you can see. And I'm going to go into my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going into the contour shade here. And I'm just gonna place that on my contour areas. And I use this Morphed brush just because I don't have a contour brush from Sonia in the new brushes. And I know some of you guys may be wondering why didn't I put concealer underneath my eyes. I actually stopped doing that because it's extra makeup that I honestly don't even really need, and when I put eyeshadow on the bottom of my eyes, it kind of just covers it up. So when I do my eyebrows and when I put concealer on my eyelid, I kind of just blend it out with my brush, and I'll bring some of it into the inner corner here, the residue basically, but I don't put concealer directly under my eye anymore. It's just a preference. You can still do it if you like, but I stopped. I'm gonna go ahead and use the blush brush that I got from Sonia, and I'm going into the glowing 04 Milani highlighter. This highlighter is so bomb. If you have a chance to pick this up, pick it up. I told you guys it was bomb. I use this highlighter every day, and this brush is awesome. Once again, so soft. So I like using a bigger brush like this just because it's more across the face. It covers more surface area, obviously. That's why I don't really use smaller brushes, because I like the way that this turns out on my skin better. Poppin', poppin'. Now we are going on to the eyes, and I will be using the same Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin concealer. As you can see, I'm almost out of this stuff because I've been using it like every day since I got it. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. I'm just blending that concealer out. This is the part where I told you guys I would just bring some of the remnants, residue underneath my eye instead of putting product directly underneath. Now that we've done that, I'm actually going to start with the blending crease brush, the new one from Sonia. We're gonna go into the Morphed. This is the 35C palette. This color, this color, this color, and then black. Gonna deepen it up with the black in my crease only. And you just want to stay in that part that your eye, like if you open it, like where, like right above where it actually creases. This brush is very good for fine tuning in the crease. It's like really getting in that crease. So when I start adding the black, it'll be easy for me to control the black color with this brush. See, I can even like go like this with it. So, and it's really easy to control the color. Now we're gonna deepen it up a little bit. It's dense enough where you can put as much product or as little product as you want on at a time. We're gonna deepen it up with some black. See how I can control it? Now we're gonna cut the crease, and I'm using the same concealer once again. I'm using the e.l.f. concealer brush to do that. It's this flat guy here. I'm gonna change my brush and go in with the eyeliner brush that I showed you guys. Define the crease with the black. Now we're gonna go in with the black and put it on the bottom. So the crease is cut. Now we're gonna go ahead and start doing the liner. I'm gonna start with this one. This is the Vivid Blossom in the NYX Vivid Brights. I'm gonna use this matte liquid lipstick. It's called Cornflower Blue from Nicka K. I have this angle brush from Target. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna start doing the same colors on the bottom of my eye. I'm gonna apply my lashes, and these lashes are from Xvanitycosmetics. I do have a coupon code. I will put it on the screen and you can save money if you want to check out. So I just put the glue on already. I grab it by the middle and then I go in the upper position and place the middle of the lash on first. Then I go ahead and secure the end, and then I secure the inner corner. So now we're gonna go in with my favorite lip combo. This is the Wet n Wild Kohl Pencil in Simma Brown now. Now I'm gonna go with my lip gloss from the Beauty Supply. It's Max, and this gloss is the truth.